Morning.
How, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Glad that then you know that you are having an oral test this time. First of all, I want you to tell me something about yourself. Do you mind?
Not all. My name is Nenji Sulistyo. You can call me Reddy. I am 16 years old. My telephone number is 888-0788. I live at Mataijo, Mai. I study at Senior High School 14, Bekasi. I am class 11.
By the way, where are you from?
I am from Indonesia.
Why do you study English?
It's an international language. I must be able to speak it well.
How often do you study English? How?
Twice a week on Tuesday and Friday.
Do you think twice a week is long?
No, I don't think so. However, I also study English at school.
Do you have any problems studying English?
Yes, of course, grammar is a little bit difficult for me.
Anything else?
Yes, it's still hard for me to speak English fluently.
Don't worry, you son learn goodbye from now.
B.